Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back into this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can get your first freelancing opportunities online. So if you are searching for freelancing opportunities, that means you're gonna be working as freelancer. So to start working as a freelancer, you always need of course to build an experience, and also building experience requires you that you build your CV or you build your profile, so that if you are going to be submitting some applications either on Fiverr, either on Upwork, either on freelancer.com, whatever platform you're going to be using, this is going to be ensuring that they can view your previous work and they can also be able to track your records. This will help you to get hired, because they can trust that you have been working with various people, and also you can be able to accomplish their task in the effective way. So remember, if someone is going to be coming, and if someone is going to be hiring you, remember most of the times they are going to leave reviews on your completed work, which means the next client who will come to hire you will come looking at the review they have left on your profile. So either is positive, either is negative, how you communicate, how you are responsive, and more stuff. So now let me use our Upwork at this time. I'm gonna be going to Upwork, my Upwork account. You can see I have now also added this stuff to the filter. These are my preferred opportunities I used to start looking for, and as you can see, I have some which are requiring extended skills, and others are not requiring even some skills, because every person can be able to do them. So what you need is to ensure that you start looking for the work which you can do, which is not going to be requiring you a lot of things. For instance, I'm going to be checking this one, and you see among the works that I used to do, and also I have highlighted in my search, you can see I have Discord. So if I type Discord, I used to start working on Discord chatting opportunities, and from this Discord chatting opportunities, that is where you're gonna be chatting, messaging people, or keeping the community engaged. Once the community is engaged, also you're gonna be paid. Depends on the amount of time you spent on the platform or the Discord server, and also depends on what you did, either a Discord moderator or someone else. So the key is to start looking for the simple work that you can do, which is not requiring you the extensive skills. So if we started working on for instance, a Discord chatting, that means it is only requiring you time and language. If you are understanding English, you're gonna be chatting in English and commenting. After that, you can also upgrade and start applying to the extensive opportunities, which will also be exposing your skills. But starting from simple like Discord chatting, like social media, if we search for social media, yes, we can search for social media, social media manager opportunities. Those opportunities are going to help you to ensure that you can be able to find the given opportunity you can do, and also will be helping you to get engaged, to get experience, and everything will be coming into you. So you can say I have saved all these jobs, and you can be seeing which ones you can be doing. There is no longer available, applied. So this is going to be helping you to ensure that you can be able to perform. So mainly if you can to finding work, the key to getting the opportunities to do is to ensure that you select the simple work, which is going to be requiring you the simple skills by the first time. If you are going to be starting with extensive jobs, you are more likely to fail because they don't trust your profile, they don't see your experience in working with the different clients, and they are not also confident that you will complete the job as they have also announced it or as they wish it. You can see cartoonish web design tourists, create Instagram posts. From these also small ones, you can be applying for it, and once you do like 3 to 4 jobs, you're gonna be building a trust, and also the trust you are building is gonna be influencing you for the future opportunities. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel TV, like it, share it to your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.